Today I have some slimes from Blushing PB Slime that I'm going to review. I think this is an extra. She sent borax in a care sheet and some Sour Patch Kids candy. And she puts her shop name here, and then the name of the slime is here, Ice Cream Sundae. Ice Cream Sundae Cake Cup. And look at all the stuff on the bottom. And then we have frozen pomegranate juice and Pandan Juice. First I'm going to look at the extra. I don't know what it is. It has a fresh scent. It's nice. I'm not good with recognizing scents, so I don't think I can tell you what this smells like, but it's a nice, fresh, green scent. I don't know how else to describe it. It's got I don't know how to describe the texture. It's a thick slime. It's easy to handle, and I like that about it. And I'm really liking this scent. I just wish I knew what it was. Is it maybe supposed to be a butter slime? It seems like it's got a little bit of clay in it. And it's got some inflation too. Let's take a look at the Ice Cream Sundae cup. Ice Cream Sundae Cake Cup. It's a nice, thick, white topping. And it's got more of a yellowish... Alright, so the bottom of it is a cloud slime. And the top of it is a really thick and rippy. Possibly a glue-all base. Right, so this is going to be a cloud cream once it's all mixed up. It's got a lot of really nice sprinkles, and it's very aesthetically pleasing. And it smells amazing. I wouldn't say that it smells like a ice cream sundae necessarily, because in a sundae I usually expect chocolate. I mean, it does have a bit of a cake smell, and yeah, maybe ice cream, cake and ice cream, but no chocolate, but that's okay. Look at this texture, y'all. It's very fluffy, it's easy to hold and play with, and it's really fun to play with. It's not sticking all over my hands. It's a really nice slime. I'm enjoying this. Alright, let's look at the frozen pomegranate juice. I was really excited for this one because of the amazing color in it. And I think it's supposed to be a slushy slime. And I've never really had much luck with the slushy slimes being playable and holdable, and so I wanted to try this one out. The scent is amazing. It is a bit perfumey to me, honestly, and when I touch the slime, it does feel wet to my hands, but I think that's the way slushy slimes are. Alright, let's pull it out and play with it. Alright, I am obsessed with this. I have never once had a slushy slime that I can handle and touch and play with without it sticking all over me and making a huge mess and just frustrating me. This one, if anything, is almost a little too stiff. It's kind of hard to pull, but I much prefer this to one that is sticking all over me and that I can't really get my hands into and play with. This one is perfect. I am in love with this slime. Other than feeling a little bit of wetness on my hands, there's not really any residue or anything. I mean, this is just amazing. I'm really happy with this slime. I cannot say enough good things about this slime. I think right now it's my favorite, and I'm gonna enjoy playing with this one a lot. It's just, this is such a unique texture. And it's so well made, the little pieces of the beads and stuff are not falling out. When there's no fallout, it's just, it's amazing. I can't quit playing with it. Alright, yes, I definitely like this one. Alright, and the last one is the Pandan Juice. I don't know what I expected with smell. It smells kind of green and fruity. It is a thick and glossy. Really, really glossy. Wow, 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 look at this. I mean, aesthetically, I mean, there's no add-ins, charms, anything like that. It didn't come with a charm. There's no sprinkles or anything like that. So aesthetically, it's just a plain green slime. But it's really thick. It's really holdable. It's got a great smell. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This slime was amazing. Her slimes do not disappoint. This is my second or third purchase from her, and I've enjoyed every one of them. This is definitely a shop that I can recommend, and I'll probably be buying some more because, yeah, these are really satisfying and fun to play with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.